What's up everyone, welcome to this series. I am very excited to announce that we're going to be learning Python with this. This is Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. It is the second edition, so it's the most updated edition right now. And it is probably the #1 book right now for any beginner to learn Python. It sold more than 200,000 copies and a lot of people flocked to this book to learn Python. So I looked online and I couldn't really find any YouTube tutorials about this. The ones I did find were quite outdated. And so I'm very excited to announce that I'm gonna dedicate a special tutorial series to go through this book entirely. I'm going to explain everything in this book. I'm going to go through the exercises. I'm also going to give you exercises that you can sort of take away and practice for yourself so that you can give them a try, and I'll come out with solution videos so we can go through it together too. So what do you need for this series? Well, if you get hold of this book, great. If you don't worry too much about it, because I'm going to explain all of the chapters in this book through me. So I'll give you all the explanations. We'll go through the exercises together. I'll also give a custom take on the exercises in this book, so you have a chance to go away and practice them, and then I'll come out with solution videos where we'll go through those exercises together to make sure that we're all following along at the same pace. In terms of the development machine, you can either use Windows or Mac. I use Mac, but I'll show you how to install Python on both Windows and Mac too. And when it comes to us actually writing code, it won't matter too much about whether or not we're using Windows or Mac, because we're going to use a editor as prescribed in this book that's almost platform independent, so that's great. So a bit about me: I've been programming for about 15 years now, mostly focused on Python for the past 5 years actually. I've been working on machine learning projects, backend development projects, engineering projects, DevOps projects, all using Python in so many different scenarios. So hopefully not only will we go through this book together, but I can sort of give you an insight into the things that I've learned in terms of things that I've learned in the Python community, and the tools that I've come across, and all the different packages and libraries that I've used that have helped me significantly in Python development over the years. So with that said, I'm really looking forward to getting started with the series. If this is something you're interested in, please do give this video a thumbs up so we can spread the word, and also subscribe and tap the notification or the bell icon so that you get updated as soon as I release the first video in the series. I'm very excited, I'm sure you are too. So yeah, join me next time. Thanks for watching, and see you later.